on the truth of your promise.
Hi, baby. We've been together for almost 12 years, and during that time, you've been there through every moment watching me grow, overcome challenges, and celebrate my success. From my debut, OJT days, and graduation, to my first job, first promotion, and every milestone in between.
Do your best bilang husband and soon as father.
Ang key lang is lagi kayong mag-usap. Kung medyo galit yung isa, bigay yung isa, ganun lang, give and take para maging happy lang.
Because you are good to me, God to me. You are good to me, God to me. You are good to me.
We met in 2013. College student ako at ikaw naman ay naghahanap ng work. At kahit super busy ka, you always made time to pick me up and drop me off sa school. And now, look at us. We're still together. I'm so thankful for you kasi I truly believe your maturity is one of the reasons kaya bakit tumibay ang relasyon natin.
Kaya Kevin at Pauline, maging doggedly loyal kayo sa isa't isa. Maging panatyo kayo sa isa't isa. At papangako at ulit-uliting ipangako sa Panginoon Diyos. Pipiliin nyo o pinipili nyo ang isa't isa. Ano man ang mangyari.
At the right place at the right time, two roads intertwine.
To my wife, finally, after 11 long years, isa na tayo. And I'm sorry kung pinaghintay kita ng ganung matagal. Pero tingnan mo tayo ngayon. Nasa harap ng mga tao nagmamahal sa atin. Pinag-isa ng Panginoon.
Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the rain of your doubts and fears. Weary heart, you'll be safe here.
And for Kevin, for all the years that you've been with Pauline, I have seen how much you truly love her. You love her for who she is. You supported her dreams, her goals, and most importantly, you have given her the love that she deserves. And finally, after everything, she now has someone, her pahinga. The person she can lean on, rely on, and call her home.
Someday we will be set free.
Makakasama mo ka sa hirap at ginhawa. Walang iwanan. Kasi baby, tandaan mo, may forever at yun ay tayo. Mahal na mahal kita.
Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fear. Weary heart, you'll be safe here. Save your eyes from your tears when everything's unclear. You'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Won't it hide when the light?
Dati palagi ko sinasabi na sana dati pa kita nakilala. Pero hindi pala ganun. Dumating ka sa buhay ko, noong panahon hindi ko alam saan ako patungo. Binigay ka ng Diyos sa tamang panahon.
I will love and respect not just you, but your family as well. I promise to do my best in being a loving and supportive member of your family.
I believe you'll be safe. You'll be safe here. You'll be safe.
Sa pagpasok natin sa bagong yugto na ating buhay, huwag kang matakot kung ano man ang tatahakin natin. Lagi lang ako nandito para sa'yo. Sabay natin lalampasan lahat ng pagsubok na darating sa buhay natin. At kung dumating man ako sa aking huling sandali, hanggang sa kabilang buhay, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang aking pipiliin.
Thank you!
You're welcome, guys.
Alam ka na ta.
Wow! Oh. Thank you, Kuya!
Moment, I couldn't see through the smoke in front of me. Now I know where I'm going, so I gotta leave.
Nakabahan and excited. Excited na ako makita si Kevin.
I'm on my way. I see the road in front of me. I'm on my way. Finally where I'm supposed to be. I'm finding my own place. I'm running my own race. You can say it's impossible, but I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop me. Living
Wow!
Thank you, tinupad mo yung pangarap ko.
Grabe yung pangarap ah!
Wow!
May picture mo na yan pagbukas.
Hindi ko na-expect na bibilan mo din ako ng gatas eh. Marami tayong expense na pabayaran. pero nagawa mo pa rin ng way para mabigay sa akin.
I'm on my way. I see the road in front of me. I'm on my way. Finally where I'm supposed to be.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the couple of the hour, the new Mr. and Mrs. Pauline Alexandra and Cam Enriquez!
Nothing can stop me. Alright, everything is alright. Alright, everything is alright. Hold tight, everything is alright. And nothing can stop me. Alright, everything is alright.
So today, it's officially, finally, we're husband and wife. Our adventures continue. Mas marami pa tayong pupuntahan and mas marami pa tayong memories na gagawin.
I'm on my way.